Welcome everybody to another edition of Nationwide Haul Equipment Review. Today is a very special review because we're not only gonna have a chance to go through these bad boys that we have here, but we have two very special guests with us. We have Mr. Mike Johnson of MAC Trailer. He's been in the industry for over 40 years and really is a specialist in this equipment. And we have our area rep with us, Mr. David Edwards, who's also been in the industry for over 40 years. So the amount of knowledge that we have here is really special. So this video should be a good one. Mike, I like to kind of just, go over these things a little bit and kind of give the viewers of these video an idea of what these trailers are all about. So I like to talk a little bit about what is a pneumatic trailer, what are some of the commodities that you can haul with these trailers, okay? And then what are the different sizes? After that, we'll do like a quick walkthrough, kind of give people an idea of how you use this trailer, all the main features of it. And then after that, we're gonna point out what makes MAC a little bit better than everybody else. Sure. Okay, so that's what we like to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You guys ready?
Ready.
Ready? Let's do it.
MAC Trailer is no different than any other manufacturer. We all use the air inlet line. What makes the MAC Trailer unique is we're standard with premium components. We have all BTI valves, the control valves, top air, blow down line, everything that we have on this trailer is manufactured by BTI, is a premium product. Okay, MAC takes that premium product and we put it on the trailer and utilize it in such a way to get the maximum performance out of the trailer. Performance in a tank trailer is all about air volume and speed, how fast I can unload this trailer. Moving on down the length of the trailer, okay, we size the product valve for the commodity that's being transported. If you're hauling something like pebble lime, you would have a 6-inch product valve, whereas cement, lime, things of that nature, you have a 5-inch as this trailer is equipped. Another thing unique about MAC Trailer, we're standard with putting the hot air line out of the way of the operator. That hot air line, because of the blower, can get up to 300 degrees and cause severe burns. So we tuck that underneath the trailer, and then by the same token, for the same reason, we put valve extensions on as standard. So the operator doesn't have to get close to the pipe at all to operate the trailer. Everything is outboard, so it's really easy for him to get. We also have, from an electrical standpoint, we have 2 side marker lights on every trailer. We light up the trailer more than anyone else in the industry to make it safer. It's all about operator safety and throughout the trailer, okay? Our gauge box on the outside looks no different than anyone else's gauge box, but ours is standard with a light. We also have a switch that you can operate the light on the outside, so it's really accessible to the driver. You don't have to fumble around inside here to try to figure out where the light's going to be. This air gauge measures in PSI. When used in correlation with this scale here, whatever the gauge reads, you can tell approximately how much weight is on the trailer by the amount of PSI or pressure in the airbags. MAC Trailer is standard with galvanized hangers and soft coat axles. So there's no paint to maintain on a MAC Trailer outside of the landing gear and the fifth wheel plate. All right, moving to the back of the trailer, one of the safety features that I probably like more than any other is the MAC, what I call the MAC stairs. Okay, if you go up this trailer, it's not a straight up and down ladder like you see on some manufacturers. This out here emulates the stairs in your house. So when you go up onto the top and climbing off, it's more like walking up and down the stairs in your home. So it's safer. Drivers are difficult to come by. The driver pool is getting smaller and smaller. We're all getting older, and anything you can do to improve and make it safer for the driver, and make it easier for him to operate your trailer is a benefit to the company.
They're gonna appreciate it, without a doubt, yeah.
Okay. Another thing, we're standard with under axle discharge and a high discharge bracket. So our discharge pipe is not way down on the ground. It's right here, more convenient for the operator. We're also standard with a 3-hole light box. We light up the back of the trailer and stop and turn to make it more visible to the traffic behind it. Overall, MAC Trailer design is designed to be aerodynamic. You have the front and the rear, as well as between the hoppers, is enclosed. In some situations, through our testing, we found that we can get up to 3/10 better fuel economy. Well, we're also standard with a opposite the driver side discharge with your blow down line. When the driver's on the other side of the tank and he blows the trailer down to vent it, after he's done, that air has dust in it. So we vent on this side away from the driver where the driver doesn't have to stand in a cloud of dust to operate the trailer.
You know, guys, one of the things that really got my attention was really the emphasis that MAC Trailer and Mike Connie put on making a driver happy, making a company happy when they make an investment like you make on these type of trailers. What are some good points that you can give us that really display that and confirm that?
Okay, much the same as yourself. I work for other companies too, but the MAC culture is very unique. It's unique because we're always thinking about the driver, how they operate the trailer, the cost of ownership of the trailer, from the aerodynamics we put on the trailer, the premium products that we use to fit out the trailer, the valves and things, and then also our designs. We use solid modeling throughout the company, FEA design or FEA testing for every design that comes out, and then we do physical testing. We have the ability in our R&D shop to cycle test this vessel. Okay, so this vessel is in cement service. Okay, a cement man year is 292 days. That's especially true here in Florida, where the weather is conducive. They can pour concrete just any day they want to, virtually. So we cycle test the trailer with the assumption the driver is getting 3 loads a day, which the drivers are paid by the load. So we want to give them the ability to do that with a long life trailer that will last and operate to that magnitude of loads. So 3 loads a day times 292, that's going to over 20 years.
So guys, this video is everything I expected it. I want to thank you, Mike, for coming out. I really do. Taking the time to do this video and train our guys, and and really, I think they've come away with a lot of good information today. So to our subscribers, to our viewers, if you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot of these videos. We want to thank you for being with us here. If you want any information regarding this equipment, you can go to mactrailer.com. You can also go to nationwidehall.com. You can write to us at sales@nationwidehall.com or call us at the sales number. Thank you, and we look forward to doing more videos.